Hello kids. Okay, so I am going to explain this point that appears sometimes in ALEKS, and it is to find two consecutive natural numbers that the square root of 76 lies between. So as you know kids, not all of the results of the square roots, or actually in any root, not all of them are natural numbers, so some of them have decimals, okay? And even though we have methods to find it, it's very difficult to find it really quickly. So it's better to estimate, or to have a guess of where the result of that number is between. So we need two natural numbers. And what are we going to do? Remember this number, square root of 76, okay? And we are going to check the example, but if the example doesn't appear in ALEKS, you can always refer to this video. So what do ALEKS give us, okay? ALEKS give us the results of all of the square roots that have natural results, like the square root of 1 is 1, the square root of 4 is 2, the square root of 9 is 3, the square root of 16 is 4, and so on. So we are going to locate our square root in between two of these examples that are here in this chart. So remember, we need the square root of 76. So the square root of 76 is between 64 and 81. The square root of 64 and square root of 81, as you can see it in the right part, okay? So if the square root of 76 is between the square root of 64, which is 8, and the square root of 81, which is 9, then the square root of 76 is between 8 and 9, and that is what we are going to answer, okay? 8 and 9, okay? That's it. But let's do another one. Maybe this one, I think it's the same type of point. Yes, it's the same type of point. So the square root of 38, this one is not a natural also, so we are going to find the two natural numbers that it lies between. So remember, the square root of 38. The square root of 38 is between the square root of 36 and the square root of 49. So if it is between the square root of 36, which is 6, and the square root of 49, which is 7, then the square root of 38 is between 6 and 7. And that is what we are going to answer, okay? Between 6 and 7. And that is how you solve this type